Well, I think this is everything we're going to need for our New Year's Day dinner. You know, you got to start the New Year's off right. And that's what we're going to do. And hopefully, 2026 will be way better than 2025. But if you don't start it off right, you never know how it's going to turn out. And you got to have certain things to bring that luck and good fortune to you. And that's exactly what we're going to do. Oh, well, hello there, friend and family. So good to see you again this evening here in the little old country kitchen. So glad you could stop by, spend a few minutes with old Mr. Tom. So yeah, if you do got a few minutes, pull up a chair, grab a cold drink and snack, and let me show you what I'm going to be putting together for my New Year's Day meal. And maybe in the comments below the video, you'll share what you're going to be having too for your New Year's Day meal. Okay? Now, we've got it laid out here, and it doesn't look like a whole lot. It really isn't. But everything that you see actually has a meaning for the coming new year. I want to tell you about that as I show you what I'm going to be cooking up. Now, the meat we're having is this market side, boneless, spiral, but honey cured, double glazed, hickory smoked ham with natural juices. Oh yeah. And that ham is 2.96 pounds. It's what they call a quarter ham. And it's boneless. It was $3.98 a pound for $11.78. And this was actually in the freezer. I had bought it last year. And it just never got cooked up. But we're going to be cooking it up this year. And something else to note is I looked up the price of these hams at Walmart this year. And they're still $3.98 a pound. So you can't beat that. And then we're going to be having some of the Glory Foods seasoned Southern style turkey flavored collard greens. Oh yeah. Now, to go with them, we're also going to be having the Bush's Best black-eyed peas with bacon. And I'm going to be taking some of these roasted red pepper slices. And I'm going to be adding them to the greens. Of course, there'll be other things added in with the greens. But these three things all have a meaning for, we hope, how the new year in 2026 will come out. And what's that? Well, the ham here, well, it's pork. And pork signifies for progress, yep, and prosperity. Did you know that? If you're not, you can look it up. And then the greens. You know, what's that all about? And they're actually different in different areas of the country, what greens you will eat. In the South, it's primarily collard greens and or turnip greens. Where when I was growing up north, in northwestern Pennsylvania and western New York State, yeah, we had greens on New Year's Day. Did we have collards or turnips? No. We had spinach. Maybe you did too. Now, we did have the black-eyed peas. But the greens, they signify, you know, green paper money. You know, in hopes you'll have more. And what are the black-eyed peas all about? Now, I do know in some areas of the Northeast, rather than have black-eyed peas, my great-grandmother was that way, she preferred northern beans or navy beans. And that was okay. My grandmother Himes, she went with traditional black-eyed peas. And these Bush's black-eyed peas with bacon, yep, they're really good. Now, in years past, I've started my peas from dried peas, and I even showed them to you. I did a recipe here, a year or two back, showing you how I make up my black-eyed peas. But this New Year's Day, since it's only me and the kitty crew, we're keeping everything easy. And there's nothing easier than going with canned collards and canned black-eyed peas. It'll be okay. It's basically just reheat. But, you know, we're going to be jazzing them up. You can bet on that. That's what these here roasted red peppers are all about. And there'll be seasonings added. I'm thinking some Slap Your Mama is going to be worked in here too. So we got our pork for prosperity and progress in the coming new year. We got our turkey flavored collard greens. So hopefully we'll see more of those fine greenbacks, more than we did this year. Maybe my YouTube channel will finally blow up and take off. But hey, it can stay the same because I appreciate every one of all of you. And of course we got the black-eyed peas, which signify coins, if you didn't know. I probably didn't say yet, since I'm just rambling on. Yeah, represent coins. And if you actually look it up, what certain foods represent, they have other ones, like fish. I didn't know it, but you could have fish. And it stands for abundance. And cornbread, here in the South, would be traditionally eaten with these two, and I may make up some cornbread, because that's supposed to signify gold. And with gold prices where they are now, hey, if you got some, you're probably a happy camper. And silver too. So I just thought I'd take a few minutes and share what I was going to have. You know me, the kitty crew will love this ham. Oh yeah, they'll be down for the ham. The collard greens and the black-eyed peas, not so much. And I probably will, or maybe not, have some potatoes mixed on in. Who knows? You can do anything you want to. But on New Year's Day, you want to do your best. Start it off with a little bit of tradition. And maybe, just maybe, who knows, some greens, some black-eyed peas, and some pork will bring you a better new year. Hey, it doesn't hurt to give it a try. And it's sort of kind of fun to keep those traditions going. So let me know what you're doing for your New Year's Day dinner. So that's what I'm doing and what I'm having. At least what Gracie and I have already got planned out. But something else I wanted to go over too is the price. You see that ham? That ham was 2.96 pounds. At $3.98 a pound, it was $11.78. The black-eyed peas, 15.5 ounce can, they were $1.57 each for a total of $3.14. And then I've got the collard greens, 2 cans, 14.5 ounces, $1.67 a can for $3.34. And then the roasted red peppers, that 12-ounce jar, was $2.13. So my total cost, now there's going to be spices, and there's going to be some onion, fresh garlic, and a few other things. And if I make up cornbread, that'll be added in. Or maybe I'll do biscuits, you know, because they're golden brown and will look like big golden coins. Hey, that'll work. So that'll add to it. But my whole total so far is $20.39 for my New Year's Day meal. And I'm pretty sure once I get it all put together, you know, with that ham, 2 cans each of collard greens and black-eyed peas and cornbread or biscuits, it'll feed probably 8. I know it'll feed me 8 times. So at a total cost of $20.39, divide that by 8. That's $2.55 a serving for some really delicious ham, nutritious collards, and protein-packed black-eyed peas with some cornbread and biscuits. Hey, where can you go and have a meal, let alone on New Year's Day, for $2.55? Yeah, I think that's doing pretty okay. So there you have it. And if you're good, I'll show you how I make it, because I'm actually thinking about making it a special way this year. Some way I really never have before. But I think it'll turn out just right. At least you'll be seeing it with me for the very first time on the very first day of a new year, 2026. So hey, I hope your holidays have been going great and your Christmas was merry. And I'm wishing you all a happy new year too for the coming year. And like always, till the kitty crew, you know them all, Cleo, Spooky, Fluffy Muffin, Little Gracie, my princess of the house. See you on that next episode of Mr. Tom's Neighborhood. Y'all take care. Stay safe out there. And may God bless you all as you bless those in your lives. We love you for stopping by. But we gotta say goodbye for now. Yep. We're gonna start the New Year's off right. And who knows? If eating the right things brings us luck, prosperity, can't beat that. Oh, later all.